day. Namaskar, my name is Tilakumar Sarkar. Now I'm going to share with you a drill with It's Rainy Today. Let's go.
আজ বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
It's rainy today.
আজ কুয়াশা আছে।
It's foggy today.
আজ মেঘলা আকাশ।
It's cloudy today.
আজ রোদ আছে।
It's sunny today.
আজ বাতাস আছে।
It's windy today.
আজ ঝড় আছে।
It's stormy today.
আজ ঠান্ডা লাগছে।
It's chilly today.
আজ আর্দ্রতা বেশি।
It's humid today.
আজ গরম।
It's hot today.
আজ শীতল।
It's cool today. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.